My name is Yusuf. Today is a very important day in my life. It is my first day at a new high school. I am 15 years old, and I am starting grade 9 in a new school. When I open my eyes in the morning, my heart feels different. I feel excited. I also feel a little nervous. I look at the clock. It is still early. The sky outside is dark and the morning is quiet. I get out of bed and prepare myself for the day. I make wudu and perform my Fajr prayer. After my prayer, I sit quietly and think about my new school. I ask myself, who will my classmates be? Will I make new friends? Will my teachers be kind? I feel a little worried, but I remind myself, new things can be difficult at first, but I can learn and improve. I take a deep breath and smile. This is not just a new school. This is a new chapter in my life. After praying, I get ready for school. I put on my clean school uniform. I check my backpack one more time. Inside, I have my English book, my mathematics notebook, my science book, my pens, and my lunch. Everything is ready. I look at myself in the mirror. I see a high school student who is ready for a new experience. I smile and say, Yusuf, you can do this. Then I go to the kitchen. My family is having breakfast. My mother looks at me and smiles. Are you ready for your first day? She asks. Yes, Mom, I am ready, but I feel a little nervous. She says, that is normal. New beginnings always feel different. Then she tells me, be respectful, be friendly, and always believe in yourself. Her words give me confidence. I finish my breakfast. I take my backpack and leave home. On my way to school, I think about my old school. I remember my old friends and my old classroom. I feel a little sad because everything is changing. But I also feel excited. After some time, I arrive at my new high school. The building is big. There are many students walking through the entrance. Some students are talking with their friends. Some students are talking with their friends, checking their schedules. Some are going to their classrooms. I stand near the school gate for a few seconds. I look at the building. This is my new school, I say quietly. I feel nervous again. But I remember my mother's advice. Be friendly and believe in yourself. So I walk inside. The hallway is wide and bright. I see lockers, classrooms, and many students. Everything looks new. Then I see a teacher standing near the office. He notices me and smiles. He asks, "Hello, are you a new student?" "Yes, sir. My name is Yusuf," he says. "Welcome, Yusuf. I am Mr. Adam. I will help you find your classroom." I smile and say, Thank you, sir. As I follow him, I feel a little better. Maybe this new school will become a special place for me. Mr. Adam takes me to my classroom. He opens the door and says, "Class, we have a new student today." Everyone looks at me. For a moment, I feel nervous. I stand near the door and do not know what to say. Then Mr. Adams smiles and says, "Everyone, this is Yusuf. He is joining our grade 9 class." I look at my new classmates and say, "Hello, everyone. My name is Yusuf. Nice to meet you." The students smile. One student says, "Welcome, Yusuf." I feel happy because they are friendly. Mr. Adam shows me my seat. I sit down and put my books on the desk. The student sitting next to me turns and says, "Hi, I'm Omar." "Hi, Omar. Nice to meet you." Omar asks, "Is this your first day at this school?"
Yes, I just moved here, so everything is new for me. Omar smiles and says, "I understand. My first week here was also a little difficult." His words make me feel better. I realize that I am not the only person who feels nervous in a new place. The first lesson begins. Mr. Adam teaches us English. He writes some sentences on the board. I open my notebook and start writing. At first, I feel a little worried. I think, what if I cannot understand everything? But I listen carefully. The teacher explains slowly. The lesson becomes easier. Then, Mr. Adam asks a question. Who can answer this? The classroom becomes quiet. I know the answer, but I feel shy. After a few seconds, I raise my hand. "Yes, Yusuf?" I answer the question. Mr. Adams smiles and says, "Good answer. Well done." I feel proud. My confidence grows. I learned something important that day. Sometimes we are afraid to try because we think we may fail. But when we try, we can discover that we are stronger than we think. During the next classes, I learn mathematics and science. The subjects are interesting. The teachers are kind. The school feels less strange now. After several classes, the lunch bell rings. Everyone leaves the classroom. I walk to the cafeteria with my lunch. The cafeteria is busy. Students are sitting together and talking. I look around and wonder where I should sit. Then, Omar waves his hand. "Yusuf, come and sit with us." I smile and walk to his table. Another student is sitting there. He says, "Hi, I'm Hamza. Nice to meet you." We start eating lunch together. They ask me questions about myself. "Where did you study before?" Omar asks. I tell them about my old school. "What do you like to do after school?" Hamza asks. "I like reading, learning English, and playing football." Hamza smiles. "I like football too." We laugh together. I feel surprised. This morning, I was worried about making friends. Now, I am sitting with new friends and enjoying my lunch. I understand that a small smile and a simple hello can create
a new friendship.
Before the school day ends, Mr. Adam gives us a small activity. He says, everyone will introduce themselves to the class. My heart starts beating faster. I think, oh no, I have to speak in front of everyone again. I feel nervous. One by one, the students stand and introduce themselves. Then Mr. Adam says, Yusuf, it is your turn. I slowly stand up. I take a deep breath. Then I begin. Hello, everyone. My name is Yusuf. I am new at this school. I like reading books, playing football, and learning new things. I am happy to be part of this class. When I finish, everyone smiles. Mr. Adam says, Great job, Yusuf! I sit down with a big smile. At that moment, I feel proud. My first day is not perfect, but it is much better than I expected. When the final bell rings, I pack my books and prepare to go home. I look around my new classroom. This morning, everything felt unfamiliar. Now, I feel like I belong here.
The final school bell rings. Students close their books and pack their backpacks. The hallways become busy again. I put my notebooks into my backpack. I look around the classroom one last time. This morning, everything felt new and unfamiliar. Now, I know my classroom, my teacher, and some of my classmates. I smile without thinking. Omar walks over to me. Yusuf, see you tomorrow. I smile and reply. See you tomorrow, Omar. Thank you for helping me today. Hamza joins us. We're happy you're in our class. Thank you. I'm happy to be here too. I walk out of the classroom with confidence.
I start walking home. The afternoon air feels fresh. The sun is shining softly. I think about everything that happened today. This morning, I was afraid. I did not know anyone. I hoped that someone would talk to me. Now, I have new friends. My teachers were kind. I answered a question in class. I even introduced myself in front of everyone. I learned that being brave is not about having no fear. Being brave means trying even when you feel afraid. That lesson will stay with me for a long time. When I arrive home, my mother opens the door. She smiles and says, How was your first day at school? I smile and say, It was a very good day. At first, I was nervous. But then I met kind people. I made 2 new friends, Omar and Hamza. I enjoyed my English, mathematics, and science classes. My mother listens carefully. She smiles and says, I am proud of you, Yusuf. I feel happy when I hear her words. We eat dinner together. I tell my family more stories about my day. Everyone smiles and laughs with me. Later that evening, I prepare my school bag for tomorrow. I put my books
and notebooks inside. I sit on my bed for a few minutes. I thank Allah for this wonderful day. I feel calm in my heart. Tomorrow will be another new day.
I want to learn more. I want to become a better student. I want to be a kind friend to everyone. Today taught me an important lesson. Every new beginning may feel difficult, but every small step makes us stronger. If we believe in ourselves, work hard, and trust Allah, we can overcome our fears. My name is Yusuf. This was my first day at my new high school, and I know tomorrow will be even better. Thank you for listening. Cheerful!